Smile, hello everyone. Today we'll learn to heal our cervical by Sujok. Now for that, let's have a look at our backbone. This is our backbone, brainstem, 7 vertebrae of cervical and 12 vertebrae of thoracic from here to here, and lumbar 5 vertebrae, sacrum 5 vertebrae and coccyx 4 vertebrae which are diffused. So total we have 33 vertebrae. Now we have to do the healings by Sujok. Now let's have a look at our hand. Our hand is tilted till thoracic vertebra 8. So in our thumb, below our thumb, this is brainstem. These are 7 vertebrae of cervical and thoracic 8 vertebrae. Then our body becomes straight. Then 4 vertebrae of thoracic here, that is T9, T10, T11, T12. Then 5 vertebrae of lumbar here. Then 5 vertebrae of sacrum here and 4 vertebrae of coccyx which are diffused here between the legs, 2 legs. Now in the feet also, below the big toe, this is brainstem, 7 vertebrae of cervical here, then T1 to T8, thoracic 8 vertebrae, T9 to T12, thoracic rest of the vertebrae, then 5 vertebrae of lumbar here, then sacrum and coccyx. Between the 4 toes, it's going between the legs. Now, how to heal? In our hand, from first joint to second joint of thumb is our cervical area. This is first vertebra, this is 7th vertebra. First, 7th. Center is 4th, second, third at equal distance, 5th and 6th also at equal distance. Now, if you massage this area, the most painful point is your affected vertebra. So, in case the pain is coming here, that means the 4th vertebra of cervical is affected, C4. Then you put peppercorn 1 here and 1 on C3 and 1 on C5. The surrounding area also is taken. So this is the X-ray of our hand. By seeing the painful point in this area, we can exactly tell which vertebra is in problem. Now, the way we wear a collar in our neck, we can also wear a collar in our mini body. So I'll show you how. First of all, we'll do the ring massage. Ring massage should be done in such a manner that your backbone area of cervical and on the yin yang line, these are nicely massaged for cervical. And in every finger also we have cervical point in the first joint center. First joint center is our cervical point. So do a good ring massage in the first joint, in the yin yang line and at the back side. Good ring massage in each finger. After doing good ring massage, do moxa. Take moxa. As I've shown you before how to use moxa. It should be kept at a distance that the heat also goes, it doesn't damage the skin, and You can make it far and near according to the patient's how much can bear it. Do muksa here on each finger also. After doing the muksa, you can diffuse the muksa later on, and now it's nicely warmed up and now it's ready to be used for healing. Now for that we'll make a pepper chain. This video I am making for the people who don't know sujuk. Now this is what we have made for mini hand collar. For that, one chain will come here, one on this yin yang line and one on this yin yang line, from first joint to second joint of thumb. Now center will come on the center and sides will go on the sides here. This we are now we are wearing mini collar, and keep pressing it from time to time. This will heal your cervical in just few days time. Also we can take our finger system points. Our finger system points are here. This is cervical. And along with cervical, we can also take shoulder points, which are on the sides, in each finger in the same manner. So we have taken 3 peppercorn, and this I have made 1 in the center and 2 on the sides, cervical and both shoulder points. So we can take on the main standard system, 1 on finger system, and also we can also take mini system. I'll show you in mini system where the points are coming. It's coming here in these 2 fingers here, and these 2 fingers here, cervical points. So in these 2 fingers the points are coming outside here, and these 2 fingers the points are coming outside facing this side. So here also we can see the painful point. The point will be extremely painful. Look for the painful point. The point itself will tell you this is the problematic area, the painful point. Mark it and put 1 peppercorn here. Now in the feet also we have these points. In feet, first joint to second joint, first vertebra, 7th vertebra, 4th, 2nd, 3rd, 5th, 6th. In the same way, the way we had done it in hand. And to wear a collar on both yin yang lines also, we can put a peppercorn chain. Otherwise, if you have just slight problem in the cervical, look for the painful point here, mark it, because that is your concerned vertebra, and 2 points on the sides here. 5 sides you can take it. 1 in the center, 1 up, 1 down, and 2 on the sides. You have taken the surrounding area also. And same way, the way we had done in hand, on first joint, this is your neck, center point is your cervical in each toe. You can put 1 peppercorn, or if you want to take shoulders, you can put 3 peppercorn here. And after doing ring massage, or you can also take this and massage. Idea is to stimulate these points. And in small toes, you can do ring massage. After stimulating, nicely, warm it up with moxa and put the peppercorn. This is how you can take care of your cervical in hands and feet. You have very beautiful system in your hands and feet, but take care. In your hands, you have many points. This and feet also. So one day you take this thumb, second day you can take this thumb, and you can take in feet also. One day you can take these two fingers and keep changing your points, because each finger you have and both thumb you have, so that your skin is not damaged. And at the same time, if someone has cervical problem, just twist your thumb clockwise and anti-clockwise. If clockwise gives you relief, keep it for 1 minute and slowly come back to normal and take 3 deep breaths. If anti-clockwise you have no pain in your hand, I'm talking about, keep it for 1 minute and gradually come back and take 3 deep breaths on skin level. This also gives good relief in your cervical. So friends, this is how you can heal your cervical with Sujok. In the next video, I will talk about frozen shoulder. Smile healings and smile thanks.